Students, I am your DM sir. You have already got some information about dialogue, and you saw in your textbooks many dialogues. Dialogue is the oldest form of communication. From the birth of civilization, we communicate with each other through dialogue. So it is a well known feature of communication. But when we treat it as a writing skill, we have to follow some strict rules and regulations. While we speak to others, sometimes we are formal and sometimes we are casual. But when we will be formal or casual depends on to whom we are speaking. I am trying to help you to compose dialogue through these slides. Follow the slides. Dialogue. What is the meaning of a dialogue? Before knowing the meaning, look at the word dialogue. This is a combination of two words. Both the words are Greek. Di or dia means through or across, and log means discourse or talk. So, dialogue is speech between two persons or more. How to compose a dialogue? Before starting a dialogue, one should keep in mind the different stages of a dialogue. A. Opening greetings. B. Warming up. C. Giving, taking, leaving messages or discussion. This part will depend on the topic given in the question. D. Rounding off and concluding. Part A and D depends on the relationship of the two persons involved in the speech. Then, to start a dialogue, we use greetings at first. These greetings depends on relationship of the persons involved in the dialogue or conversation. The relationships may be friend, a senior one, an unknown person, or in office colleagues or boss, or junior staff. This also depends on the time. When it is morning, the greetings will be something else. When it is noon, actually noon is a fraction of time. We can never converse at noon. Afternoon, Then in the afternoon will be the greetings other than the morning one. In the evening it is also different, and at night it's also different and no proper timing at night. Discussion. Dialogue between the involved person continue on the given topic. On the way to develop the conversation, one may either use question answer and vice versa method or by giving opinion. Actually, discussion is the main part of a dialogue. The other parts are ornaments. Discussion depends on the topic that is given to write about. Here we can use question answer. One will question the other one and the other one will answer it. In this way we can proceed to the conclusion. In this time, the second one may also ask some questions. In other method, both are giving their own opinion on a certain topic. And develop the conversation. During composing a conversation or discussion, it is better to write small sentences, simple sentences. The dialogues should be short so that the discussion seems to be live. Go over to the next slide. Here is an example. Look at the example. Two persons, they don't know each other. In a railway compartment, they are talking about a seat. Look at the discussion very carefully, how they are speaking. And then another example. Example 2 at the post office. And two persons are speaking there. One is a customer and the other is the office clerk. Read the dialogues. And now there are assignments. One assignment is this. Look at the picture left. You are clearly comprehending of what is it. I am giving some information about this. This is in Agra. This was built by a great Mughal emperor on the grave of her Begum. This mausoleum is situated on the Jamuna. Now you can quietly understand what it is. And what is your assignment? You have to frame a conversation between two friends on the monument. And assignment 2. Here is a picture 2. Look at the picture. Then the question. Suppose you, along with your parents, went to travel a place of tourist interest. There you saw the scene shown to the left. Now, frame a fictitious conversation between you and your mother. You and your mother. You and your mother. Depending on the picture given. Observe the picture carefully before starting to compose the dialogue. You can do one thing. Bring out this picture and sit with your mother. Then you two start discussing on the picture, and what you are telling, write them down on the copy. After the discussion was over, check the writing. Check the spelling. Check the tense and prepositions is used in that writing, everything. And you should not write them in this group or submit them in this group. You write these in your copy and submit your copy in the class after the lockdown. Thank you. Your PK sir has also already given a dialogue to compose. Do that also and submit that in the class when the school will reopen. Till then, keep safe at home. Don't go out without any serious cause. Stay with the family members, enjoy the holiday and study carefully. Thank you once again.